comprehension type question here are here. Reaction mechanism for the reaction NO2 plus CO gives you CO2 plus NO. Rate law is given. Rate is equal to K molar concentration of NO2 square. But see, in the reaction there is no twice of NO2. So how we have to find it out? So for that we have to do like this. Okay. See, two times we will take NO2 because with respect to NO2 order is 2 means NO2 two times I have to write. And this is rate determining step, slowest step, and formation of product. This NO is in the product. Okay, so NO is formed here, and one intermediate NO3 is also formed. This NO3 react with CO. So reactant only here NO2 and CO. So NO2 and CO will be there, and here NO3 which is intermediate here react with CO and form CO2, and NO2 is regenerated. So this NO2 and this NO2 lastly can cancel out. That is why NO2 plus CO gives you CO2 plus NO. This is the main reaction given to you. Okay, so but rate law decides that there are 2 times NO2. So I have written 2 times NO2 and NO2. Okay, here means NO2 and NO2 multiplied by NO2 like this. So NO2 plus NO2 gives you NO plus NO3. This is intermediate, this is main product. So it will remain as such, but an intermediate will react with CO and form CO2, and NO2 is regenerated. And then one NO2 and these are cancelled out opposite to each other side. That is why only one NO2 and one CO is in the main reaction. Clear to you? In this way we can write down the reaction mechanism. Now see here. Now some questions are here. Number of molecules of CO involved in the slowest step. No, 0. Why? Because we have seen that NO square is there. So no CO involvement in this case. Okay. So rate is equal to KNO2 square. So with C, option C is correct. Clear to you? Because CO is not in the slowest step. Now in this case, see, give one example of reaction where order and molecularity is same. So NO2 plus NO2 gives you NO plus NO3. It doesn't matter to you that it is intermediate. But 2 moles of NO2 is required, so molecularity is 2, and order we have seen that order is also 2. So this is comprehension type structure question, and they will always ask in the competitive exams. Okay, I am Veena Dikshit. I think this is clear to you, and all the best for your exam. अगेन इन हिंदी आई विल से NO2 और CO रिएक्ट करके CO2 और NO बना रहे हैं नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. रेट लॉग दिया है, रेट इज इक्वल टू KNO2 स्क्वायर. सो 2 टाइम्स आप NO2 लिखेंगे स्लोएस्ट स्टेप बता के. NO यहाँ से उठा लेंगे, बचा क्या देख लेंगे. 4 O हैं, एक O यहाँ है, तो NO3 बनेगा. NO3 CO से